First, we perform this multiplication. 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 8. Here 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. That leaves only 4. Then, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So our answer seems to be 2. But this is not correct, because we didn't follow one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations. The order of operations tells us that we cannot just solve a math problem in any random order. There is a specific sequence we must follow to get the correct answer. This sequence is remembered using the acronym PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents and roots, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first solve anything in parentheses, then handle exponents or roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. A very important note: multiplication and division have the same priority. If both appear in an expression, we go from left to right and solve whichever comes first. The same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Now, let's solve the original problem correctly. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments. Here, we have both division and multiplication. Since multiplication and division have equal priority, we move from left to right, performing the first operation we encounter. To handle dividing by a fraction, we use the KCF rule. K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. F stands for flip the second number, take its reciprocal. Applying KCF, keep the first number 8. Change the division to multiplication. Flip 1 divided by 2 to 2. Now it becomes 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Finally, multiply by 8. 16 multiplied by 8 equals 128. So, the correct answer is 128. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer them for you.